Hi, I'm Sherry, one of your wellness experts at Naturally Unbridled Wellness, and today I want to share with you a great success story with one of our clients, Jay. Now, Jay had been coming to us over the past year or so with PEMF on and off to help with his back pain. His previous back pain that he was coming for was he had back surgery already many years ago, and his back was starting to get some pain back in it again. And most recently, he had some more intense pain, something a little more, something happened. He works a lot, he's got a farm, noticed some real intense back pain, thought maybe he has another bulging disc, but he is not ready to end up on the surgery bed again right now. So in an attempt to manage that back pain, he came back to us for PEMF, and the PEMF does help support his pain management. However, he lives a little bit far away and it's not always timely to get here, and he was relying heavily on Motrin to keep that pain at bay. And actually he was taking 800 milligram tablets of Motrin, also known as ibuprofen, a day so he could sleep through this back pain. Now, if you know anything about ibuprofen, you don't want to be on ibuprofen for long periods of time. It can do terrible things to your stomach, the lining in your stomach. It can actually cause bleeding in your stomach, and it can also cause kidney and liver issues. And you definitely don't want to have that just because you're trying to manage your pain. So what I recommended for Jay was this little bottle here, our handy dandy relief tone, which is one of our holistic natural remedies here at the office. I think it's only $30 or $32. Real easy to take because it's a liquid. 30 drops in water a couple of times a day, or a squirt about an inch in water a couple of times a day, maybe more if you need a little bit more. So Jay switched over to this immediately, and when he came back, he said, I don't know what's in that little magic bottle that you gave me, but he's been totally off the Motrin now, and he is completely only taking this once a day before bed, and his back pain is being totally managed with it. So if you have any kind of pain and you are been relying on ibuprofen or Tylenol or something like that for a long period of time, and you want to try something that's going to be easier on your liver, your kidneys, and your stomach, give Relief Tone a try. Thanks for watching.